Shut up and sit down.
Hi! I thought I'd make a nice steaks. A little rare for me and my son, and well done for my wife. And we need some butter with it. So let's make some butter. Or try to make. Okay, now I haven't even checked any videos for this, but let's take some of this normal butter and we melt this in the microwave a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Then we'll add this Fonducheff beef flavor. Then some French fry flavor. Let's try this. Okay. Should I taste this? It's pretty salty. Let's add some cucumber mayonnaise. So I don't recommend that salt. But pretty good. Now we need to make it look like those little pellets. So I put this to the freezer for some time, and then I move it to fridge when these are frozen. So let's start to make the beef and good steak, fries and some potatoes. Depends who eats what, but let's do those first and put them to oven. So the normal fries, some of those, and then we have beef. We'll be doing with the steak this. So.
Okay.
Maybe I'll stick to the canned pineapple. Way too much waste. But it's really good. Now we need to take the center off. Cut these. We fry that later. Okay, this is beef steak meat.
Looks great.
Okay, now we cut this to steaks. Okay, I need a different knife. But we can put these fries and potatoes to oven. Let them be like 15 and then check it. Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, we can slice some paprika with those pineapples. I have these already made, so okay, we can start to make those beefs, steaks. I think we need to make some sort of sauce. Oh my god, I love this. Water, and then well, we have to make from meat stock. Consume, what is it? Five minutes and return. Then we can fry those ananas. Multitasking. Seasoning for fish. Pepper, seasoning and salt. Now we put here some maizena. And that's our sauce. Okay, now they have been 5 minutes. Now we turn this. Longer time, it's gonna be the well done one. Let's check the fries. If we can turn this one too. Oh, these are done. Put in some more. This is done. So this has been there for 10 minutes. Just check one. I think these are bloody enough for me and my son. Let them rest for a bit. I think they are ready. Everything's ready. Ihan semmonen tuommoinen mini.
En ota.
Mitä?
Tämä maistuu oikeesti koiran ruualta.
Tämän makustahan ne on.